Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature TIPIDSULIT Laundromat franchise business ideas. TIPIDSULIT Laundromat is a joint venture of QnE Laundry Shop and R4M Microtech technology. QnE Laundry Shop is a self-service, do-it-yourself American-style laundromat established back in 2015 by Mr. Jersey Ong, while Microtech is a technology-based company funded by Mr. Roderick Dilag back in 2008. TIPID Abot Kaya, Sulit Ang Labada. They believe that this principle in mind and an organized self-service laundry shop teamed up with competent information technology, they can create the precise formula to produce a successful laundry business in the Philippines. This system in place is also the key for potential growth and expansion of the laundry business nationwide. Their mission: to make every Filipino's laundry day as a rest day and to provide most economical and quality laundry service for each and every Filipino regardless of their socio-economic status. Their vision: TIPIDSULIT Laundromat aims to establish branches in every city and province, aims to be known, and aims to provide the best laundromat service nationwide. The TIPIDSULIT services: for the 8 kg loads, Combo A with the full service. It includes wash, dry, fold, detergent, and Fabcon with a price of 200 pesos only. Combo B, drop-off. It includes wash, dry, and fold with a price of 165 pesos. Combo C, self-service. It includes wash and dry only with a price of 130 pesos. For the 12 kg loads, Combo A full service. It includes wash, dry, fold, detergent, and Fabcon with a price of 285 pesos. Combo B, the wrap-off. It includes wash, dry, and fold with the price of 235 pesos. For Combo C, self-service, it includes wash and dry with a price of 170 pesos. They also have VIP premium offers. For silver wash, it includes double wash with 2 rinse. For small, the price is 80 pesos. For medium, it is worth 100 pesos. For the gold wash, it includes double wash with 3 rinse. For small, it's worth 90 pesos, while for medium, it's worth 120 pesos. What makes TIPIDSULIT different from the others? Bigger washers. TIPIDSULIT Laundromat is equipped with a capacity of 12 kg and above machines, while most only have smaller machines. TIPIDSULIT customers save 40 pesos and better quality laundry with big washers. Flexibility. TIPIDSULIT Laundromat offers a wide range of services to cater the needs of their customer, from their premium wash to basic wash and gentle wash. They also offer a variety of sizes of machines to get the most of their money. Why franchise TIPIDSULIT? Sales monitoring system. Their sales monitoring system sends daily report to avoid unwanted loss of sales from undeclared transactions. This will help their franchisees to manage more branches of TIPIDSULIT Laundromat easily. Marketing support. Marketing research segmentation helps the business meet the needs of its customers, hence gaining their trust. The product team ensures the business delivers what's promised at the right time. This makes the customers brand loyal. Digital marketing. Digital marketing increases brand awareness and reach your target customers and provide better ROI. Digital marketing enables real-time customer service. Research and development team. Microtech IT Solutions and QnE Laundromat make sure that they are giving efficient, quality, and leading-edge technology for the convenience of their clients in managing branches of TIPIDSULIT Laundromat. For the franchise package. For the 3+1 package, it is worth 1.75 million pesos. While for the 3 sets package, it is worth 1.3 million pesos. For the minimum setup, the franchise package includes 3 pieces of 10 kg commercial stackable washer dryer, 1 piece 13.5 kg industrial washer extractor, laundry web portal applications, laundry construction setup, gross franchise fee, chair, tables and baskets, cleaning materials and office supplies, weighing scale, staff uniform, blue chips, marketing materials for opening. For industrial setup, franchise package includes 2 pieces of 13.5 kg industrial washer extractor and 1 piece 18 kg industrial washer extractor, 1 piece stackable tumble dryer, laundry web portal applications, laundry construction setup, gross franchise fee, chair, tables and baskets, cleaning materials and office supplies, weighing scale, staff uniform, blue chips, and marketing materials for opening. For the premium setup, the franchise package includes 3 pieces of 10 kg commercial stackable washer dryer, 2 pieces 13.5 kg industrial washer extractor, 1 piece stackable tumble dryer, laundry web portal applications, laundry construction setup, gross franchise fee, chair, tables and baskets, cleaning materials and office supplies, weighing scale, staff uniform, blue chips, and marketing materials for opening. They have made it easier for other aspiring entrepreneurs to start their own business. Franchisees start with a 50% franchise fee. The royalty fee is paid 4 months after to ensure that the franchisees have at least started generating income. They also offer a 24-month installment plan at 0 interest for the laundry machines. For the contact details, please contact TIPIDSULIT Laundromat with the address number 6 Narciso Street, Barangay Canumay East, Valenzuela City, Valenzuela, Philippines. You may contact them on their phone or mobile number 7750-7787 or 0917-5311256. You can send them an email at tslaundromatph@gmail.com. You can also visit their website at www.tslaundromatph.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at facebook.com/tslaundromatph. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the TIPIDSULIT Laundromat franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.